Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 43 and 44. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So the purpose of this video is I'm doing a case study on a program called My Lead Gen Secret, and we're promoting ClickBank products using this. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, it's a platform where you can get 100 leads every single day for $1 a day. Now to sign up, it takes $30. It's a $30 one-time fee to sign up an account. In the case studies that I have seen, they've used at least 5 accounts. For my case study, I'm only using 2 accounts. Now the purpose of signing up multiple accounts is getting 100 bonus leads every single day for each account that they sign up. So for example, I'm going to sign in to my first account real quick. To get signed up to My Lead Gen Secret, there is a link right below this video in the description. So you'll just click on it, get signed up, and then after you sign up, you will sign in like I'm about to do right now. Just sign up to 1 account so far. After you sign up your 1 account, sign in to your 1 account. Now, after you sign in, highlight this link right here, copy it, and paste it in a new tab. Now, click on Use My Secret Now. Fill out your email, fill out all the info. That's how you're going to sign up your next account. So after you sign up your next account like that, then you'll get 100 bonus leads every single day because you use this link right here to sign up that other account. Now, if you're going to do more than 2 accounts, like the majority of the case studies doing this is, then what you're going to do is you're going to sign up your 3rd account underneath your 2nd account's link. So you're going to sign into your 2nd account and use that link right here from your 2nd account to sign up your 3rd account. So then your 2nd account will get 200 bonus leads. So every time you sign up a new account, make sure you sign it up underneath the last account that you created. So your 4th account is going to get created underneath your 3rd account, and your 5th account is going to get created under your 4th account. So that way you'll get those bonus leads every single day for $1. So since I'm spending $2 a day, I'm getting 300 leads every single day, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to go back over here to ClickBank, and I'm going to check to see if we got any sales last night. I started promoting a new product yesterday, one that I haven't seen before. And to be honest with you, it's kind of complicated, even just reading the email swipes. But I did send down an email yesterday, and look at that. We actually got a sale, $11.04. Oh, that was today. So on the 14th, I still didn't get a sale. So that one came in today. So for the 14th, I'm not going to count that sale yet until tomorrow. So I'm going to click on my nickname down here, account nickname. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up a new tab. And right here, as you can see, it's showing my sale for the week, my $11.04. But on my stat sheet for the 14th, because today's the 15th, how many hops did we get? I'm going to close this tab. I don't need that one no more. So I'm going to click up here on reporting to check some more in-depth stats real quick. So we had 6,210 hops. 6,210, and we did not make a sale on the 14th. That sale that you're seeing right here, or wherever it was, that came from today, the 15th. I'm gonna write that stat down tomorrow. All right, but we did get a sale. So I'm going to click on by tracking ID so I can see which account got the sale. And it was the 1st account again. My 2nd account hasn't gotten a sale this month. And my 1st account has made $41.13. All right. So now we're going to promote the product that I was just promoting yesterday. So I'm going to come up here to the marketplace up here at the top in this little blue banner. And I'm going to click on marketplace. Close this. Now the only category that these leads that we get from My Lead Gen Secrets, the only category that they work for It's this category right there. They would not work for any other category. These people are trying to make money online. And so they fall in the category e-business and e-marketing. So click on that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to sort results by gravity. So change rank to gravity. And this is a product I started promoting. I never seen this one before. So I started promoting this one yesterday. The first wave of emails I sent out actually got a sell. So that's good news. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on affiliate page. And this website's a little more it's a little more high tech than the other one. So I was kind of confused, like, where's my email swipes? Where do I go to get this? Where do I go to get my link? But don't worry, I'll walk you all through it, through all of it. If it will ever load. All right, it doesn't want to load today. Let me see if it's just that page or if it's just my internet all jacked up. Okay, that page is loading, but this one's not. So there's something going on with their website right now. It's not loading. It is. Wait till you see it. It is high tech. That's probably why it's taking so long to load. There we go. All right. So we're just going to click on swipes right here. Hopefully your screen's loading a lot faster than mine. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just waiting on this slow ass website. Trying to see if I could scroll down and find some email swipes instead of waiting on it. I remember yesterday, this page right here was a headache yesterday too, so I probably spent this much time trying to find it yesterday too. But I know if I click on swipes, it should have taken me there, but it's just way too much. There we go. Now it's taking me to the email swipes. Thank you. All right, so yesterday I sent out email number 1. Today I'm going to send out email number 2. And they give you all of these subject lines. All of these up here are subject lines. All of these that are bold. So you just pick one that you like. Let's see. Yesterday, I'm pretty sure I used that one. Let me see. The #1 presentation creator software. All right, so yesterday I used that one. So today I'm just going to use this one, the world's #1 presentation creator. So I'm going to copy that headline right there, the one that says the world's #1 presentation creator. I'm going to come back over here. Let me click back real quick, show you how I got here. Click on mailing system right here. And it'll take you to this screen right here. Then once you get here, click on select all, and it will select all of your leads. Now, when you're first starting, you know you're only going to have like 100, 200 leads. You're not going to get sales rolling in starting off. What you're doing is, the whole purpose of this is, whenever you're doing business online, the majority of success comes through a mailing list. So what you're doing right now is you're just building a real big, massive emailing list. So as you can see right now, I started off with 100 leads just like you. And I've already built this up to 36,400 leads. So just think about what this will look like after I build this leads list up for a year. So just think about longevity. You're not going to see sales. It might even take you 6 weeks or so to see your first sale. That is okay. That is normal. Just think about long term, building your list. And then you'll build it up to the point where every day you'll send out an email and you'll get a sale pretty much. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to build my list up for at least a year. I'm going to have it forever, but at least a year. I just want to see how crazy of a list I can build up. All right, so we're going to paste a subject in right here, the world's #1 presentation creator. Now we're going to scroll down and just erase everything in this box. This is where the email body is going to go. All right, so I'm going to copy all of this. And I already know I'm going to edit this in Notepad. So I'm just going to paste it in my Notepad real quick. Get the spacing. All right, I'm not done editing this yet because I still got to do my 0 through 9s. So I'm going to paste that in there. Now I do this little 0 through 9 trick. So after the word your down here, I only do this because I don't want my sentences to stretch out further than that. So after this, I type out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I do that 4 times. So that's where I'm going to cut off these sentences. So after I get to the word your, I'm just going to drop the word presentations and all that down to another line. This is optional. You do not have to do this. I just do it just to make it look nicer for people checking their emails on their phone. You do not have to do this. All right, so after the word your, I'm just going to steal this again. Paste that in there. After the word your, I'm going to start some new lines. Alrighty. I'm gonna leave that etc. there. Ain't gonna ruin nothing. All right, that looks good. So I'm just gonna highlight everything, copy that, and paste it right in here. All right, and right here where it says your name, you'll just enter your name. So that's where I'll put my name. Now we need to go get our affiliate link. So we need to come back up here, click on affiliate link. Oh, here it is. Scroll down. It says enter your ClickBank ID. And then you'll enter your ClickBank ID. It'll be the same thing that it says. Well, mine says EWAS0 up here in the top left-hand corner. So whatever nickname that you use to get to this screen, that's the nickname that you're going to enter right here in this box. And then you'll click on generate. I'll scroll down a little bit so you can see. And as you can see, it added my name right there in the link. So I know that my affiliate link is ready. Then we're going to click on copy to clipboard. Now come back over here and we're going to find where to enter these links. And of course they have little blue lines telling you where to enter it. I'll just put click here to get started. Now, right where I wrote, click here to get started. We're gonna highlight that sentence right there. Then we're gonna click on this link right here at the top right, or you can hit Control L, and it'll pop up this box right here, and that's where we'll enter our link. So as you can see, EWAS0 is right there. We're gonna click OK. Scroll down. I'm gonna enter that again. Click here to get started today. So I'm just gonna highlight that again. Click the link, insert the link, hit OK. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna insert the link here. I'm just gonna highlight this whole sentence right here. And I'm just gonna insert the link for that second PPS. I'm gonna hit OK, and we can erase this one right here. Now we can click perfect timing. And then click on preview. There's a button that says preview to the right of this button that says send email. I'm just checking, make sure there's not any other place I need to put the link. And we're going to check to make sure that the links work. So click on the links. Okay, that link worked. And that link worked. And that link worked. All right, so we can close it. And then we can hit send email. All right, and as you can see, it started the 23-hour countdown. You can only email these leads one time a day, so once every 23 hours. All right, now I'm gonna sign into my other account, and I'm gonna show you the quickest way to send out your emails, so that way you don't have to do all this stuff again. There's a little shortcut, there's a little trick. So don't sign out just yet. Scroll all the way up, right click where it says mailing system, and then hit duplicate. Now you can log out. You'll click on account, then log out. Now you're just going to sign right back in to your second account. Notice I'm still signed into my first account over here on this tab. So we're still signed in on our first account, and we're signing into our second account. So click on mailing system, click select all. Now right here where it says subject, you're going to come back to the first tab, copy the subject, paste it in, scroll down, select all, Control A will select all. Highlight everything, Control A, copy, Control C, come back over here and paste with Control V. The only way you can paste is with Control V. They won't let you right click. Well, if you do, it'll bring up this little box and it'll still tell you hit Control plus V. Or if you're on a Mac, Command plus V. All right, so now if you're tracking your links like I am, my first, I forgot to, actually, I'm not doing any tracking links with this because I don't know how to make a tracking link with the way that they had me generate this tracking link. So skip what I just said. All you have to do is hit the box that says perfect timing, preview your email, and make sure that the link works. All right, it works. So we're good to go. All we have to do now is just hit send. Make sure all my leads were selected. All right. So that is it. That's my email blast for today. So thank you all for tuning in, and come check out my results for tomorrow. I will write in my sale from today tomorrow because I still have a few hours left in the day where I could possibly generate another sale. You never know. So thank you all for tuning in. Come check out my results tomorrow. Hope you get started. Don't forget there's a links to everything to get started. You got a link to My Lead Gen Secret. You got a link to ClickBank, and give it a try. And just like I said, build your list. Don't expect immediate results. Give it some time. Let your list build. Just think long term. Just think long term. Think the end game. Where you want to see yourself 2 years from now. All right. You all take care. Have a good day.